Transform your operations with AI-powered intelligence. Discover how OPS360 streamlines business decisions through intelligent automation. Let's explore what makes your operation smarter. Meet your OPS assistant, your intelligent copilot for instant business insights and automated task management. Access advanced AI model settings to customize how your assistant thinks and responds to your business needs. Next, choose Auto Select if you want OPS360 Assistant to recommend the most suitable model. You can also select any other model manually based on your needs. Switch to GPT-4o when you need superior reasoning for complex operational challenges and strategic decision-making. Next, choose any of the LLM models, GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, or Gemini 2.5 Pro. Each model enhances analytical insights and helps answer your business questions more accurately. Return to Auto Select mode and let the system automatically match the right AI power to your specific request. Start fresh conversations to tackle new challenges while maintaining complete chat history for reference and continuity. Business Overview. Your command center get a complete view of your business performance in one place. Track key metrics, monitor operations, and understand what's happening across your organization with real-time insights powered by OPS360. Navigate effortlessly through your workspace with intuitive controls designed for speed and efficiency. Say hello to OPS360 Assistant Ask Questions. Get insights and manage work faster through one smart conversational interface. Use voice input to ask questions, retrieve business insights, and execute workflows seamlessly, enabling faster and more natural system interaction. From recent chats, you can easily access your previous conversations anytime to revisit insights, continue discussions, or quickly pick up where you left off. Now let's open the Payment Split Bill chat to understand how OPS360 Assistant maintains conversation history, allowing you to review past interactions, access shared visuals, and continue conversations without losing context. Here, as you see, OPS360 Assistant provides advanced analytics and pattern recognition, enabling deeper understanding of operational performance and supporting data-driven decision-making. Access granular information to understand the story behind your metrics and inform strategic decisions. Uncover more insights as the assistant adapts to your exploration style and anticipates your information needs. Receive AI-generated strategic recommendations tailored to your business context, ready for immediate implementation. Refine your queries and dig deeper into specific strategies that align with your operational goals. Explore additional strategic angles that complement your current initiatives and unlock new growth opportunities. Return to your OPS Assistant Hub, where all your operational intelligence converges in one powerful interface. Manage your team with precision, control access, assign roles, and ensure everyone has the right operational tools. Use OPS Assistant to instantly search and filter users or access any module. Simply ask your query to quickly manage large teams and maintain complete organizational clarity. Use the search bar to quickly find specific team members and manage user administration more efficiently. Use OPS Assistant to ask in-depth questions about any module and instantly access detailed insights, enabling advanced user management as your organization scales. Next, navigate to OPS Assistant, your central hub for AI-driven insights and operational intelligence. Navigate seamlessly across modules as OPS360 adapts to your workflow and operational priorities. Your operations just got smarter. Get started with OPS360 Assistant and transform the way your team manages operations, makes decisions, and drives business efficiency.